It's raining so hard. It's raining so hard that it's showing up in my recording. Trying to do the podcast and it's fucking raining so hard that the mic is picking it up. And Discord, or it's loud enough that Discord is seeing it. Hello Internet and welcome to Tuesday. So obviously you saw the clip of the rain earlier. It's still raining, but at least we're not doing the podcast anymore. We already finished. But the main thing I wanted to do today is fix the Xbox controller, which I already have. But I like having my glowy controller, and the right stick was broken, so I needed to fix it. So here's me fixing it. So I had to open my Xbox controller because the right stick fell off when it fell off my desk a couple days ago, and because it's modded to light up, it's just a huge fucking mess in here. I have my controller back. And now that it's fixed, I don't really have too much going on today. I have some laundry that I need to fold, so I'm gonna go do that. And other than that, Jordan started releasing his Retropalooza vlogs, which, even though I'm not there, even though I haven't been to one, it's still fun to see. Um, the guys digging around at the convention and shit. Jordan also uploaded all of the panels for all of the big name YouTubers that are there. So go check those out on his channel. It's always a fun time to see. So go do that while I'm folding. Well, I've done the folding, and now it's late, so I'm tired. So I'm going to bed. That's it for today. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Hope you had yourself a damn good one, and I'll see you tomorrow.